Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send pictures or images in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook's features, including the ability to compose new messages with attachments and images. Once your emails have loaded and you're on your main inbox screen, you'll want to start composing a new message. Look towards the top left part of your screen and you'll see a button labeled New Email. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the email composition window where you can write your message and add any images you want to include. Now you're in the email composition screen. This is where all the magic happens. Direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Insert tab to access Outlook's insertion tools. This tab contains all the options you need for adding different types of content to your email, from files and images to tables and links. After clicking Insert, you'll notice a Pictures icon in the toolbar. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear showing you 3 different methods for adding images to your email. These options give you flexibility in choosing where your image comes from, whether it's stored locally on your device, in your OneDrive cloud storage, or somewhere online. For this tutorial, we'll use the most common method, which is adding an image directly from your computer. Click on From this device to proceed. Once you click that option, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This window allows you to browse through all the folders and files on your computer. Take a moment to navigate to the location where your image is stored. This could be in your Downloads folder, Pictures folder, Desktop, or any other location where you've saved the image you want to send. When you find the image you want to include in your email, click on it once to select it. You'll notice the file becomes highlighted, indicating it's been selected. After selecting your image, look towards the bottom right corner of the File Explorer window and click on the Insert button. This action adds the image directly into the body of your email, and you'll see it appear in your message composition area. Now that your image has been successfully added to your email, all that's left to do is complete your message. Fill in the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a descriptive subject line that tells them what the email is about. And if you want, you can add some text in the body of the email to provide context for the image you're sending. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Outlook email and you're ready to send it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.